guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install DataGrip on Windows operating system. To download the software in Google search box, write their DataGrip, then go on this jetbrains.com site. So this JetBrains, let's click on this download. Then you can get this Windows, Mac and Linux. So downloading for Windows. So click on this download button. And here you can see there uh, this here. This is downloading by the IDM DataGrip exe file is there. Total size 798 MB. So this will only take few minute times to complete this download. Now you can see the software that's downloaded. Let's click on this open folder. And if you click on this open folder, then you can get their DataGrip. Let's double click on this DataGrip exe file. So now I'm currently going to install this DataGrip on the Windows operating system. So this here, you need to wait for a few seconds because it's doing some process there. DataGrip, this come from JetBrains. Let's click on yes button. So now welcome to DataGrip setup. Click on next. So this is the destination folder. Let's click on next. Here, this is for icon, for path, for SQL association. Let's click on this next. Next, and here you can see this is now installing. DataGrip setup installing, extracting the files. So here you can see the details. So installing the DataGrip on the Windows operating system. This DataGrip that's downloaded and installed successfully. So from here you can run or here this is icon doesn't created. Okay, let's click on this finish. So there is no any icon now on this search box writing there data grip. So this here. So right click, then you can do here pin to start. So let's click this or thereafter let's click on this search and here searching data grip once again. Now simply opening from here license agreement, click on confirm, continue, don't send, and this here if that's come, let's click on this allow, and this here you need to click on this new project. Let's give there MySQL com. So I'm going to do the connection with the MySQL, so that giving the name, meaningful name MySQL com. So this here or this is now MySQL com. You can get this, and thereafter this come there for I currently not going to use there. So this here, this is trial version. Click on this close. Thereafter here, click on this data source. So here, if I click on this plus, wait for a few seconds. So data source, and here click on this plus. So different data source that you can get from there. You can connect with the Apache, Derby, Cassandra, Hive, SQL database. So you can do the connection. Let's see here for MySQL. So MySQL selecting this place. There you need to fill the all details. So localhost authentication. Let's log in with the root, giving their password. They after data going to use their Sakila, and there you need to click on this driver to download. So downloading the driver. Then if you fill this all data correctly, let's click on this test connection. So test connection. So currently this is processing this. Okay. Now click on simply OK. So this here default database. This is connected with the Sakila. So on this Sakila here you can see total Sakila that's selected. This is currently processing. Inside Sakila you can see total numbers of tables, views and routines. So this tables that's present there. If you want to see the customer record, so from here or edit data, import, modify, this that's come there. So here you can see autos double click this. So if I double click this here or customer table record that's displaying. Now here you have the option, different option. You can save this file on the CSV, export and copy database. So many operations you can do here. So this lecture about how to do the installation of DataGrip on the Windows. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.